How to fix Instagram push notification not working. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly go to your Instagram go to your Instagram and app homepage, and then you have to find the Instagram. You don't need to type on the Instagram app, you have to long hold it, and when you long hold it, then there is option. Then here you can see in the bottom of the option is app info. You have to click on the app info, and when you click on the info, there is you have to scroll bit down, and here you can see the notifications. And notifications, you have to click on the notification, and if you turn off the notification, then you can't see the push notification. If you so you have to turn on the notification, all the notification, and after that you can see the Instagram push notification. And if after that it will also not show up, then what you have to do is you have to reinstall the Instagram app. Firstly you have to uninstall the app, and after that you have to reinstall the app. And when you sign in, then you can see the push notification, you can get push notification. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.